So it's Brandon's birthday today. I'm carrying his present outside. One of his presents that he got this morning before school until they gave it for him. It's heavy. It has like 215 parts in it. It's a Pittsburgh. Okay, shut the door. But this is just one of his presents. He wanted tools for his birthday. This is just the intro, but you're not seeing anything. But just a second. Can you hold on to it? I can sit behind it. Well, we're gonna take it over. But yeah, Brandon's got his GoPro. See you in a moment. I'll do a time lapse ride, the oxbo merger build. But yeah, see you later. Into my garage, I'm gonna take my brother's birthday present over to him. It's Valentine's Day, 14th. Yesterday was his birthday. It's a toolbox. He saw it last night. I put it in the garage. But yeah, I got 1026. So one of his presents. Plus that Pittsburgh tool set, if you saw that yesterday, the little craftsman kind of thing. That was the other present, and then he got a vise, and that's pretty much it from us anyways. And yeah, so I'll meet you early. I'm making it over to the shop. You see that D-ring we put on the other day to tow stuff with, I use that a lot. Before, I just wrapped the chain all the way around the bucket and then had to go out to whatever I pull it with. A lot of times I like using the bucket to pull stuff, just like pulling it, getting stuck and stuff, because it has a little baby hitch on it, and a lot of chains don't fit on it. So I use that, and I can also lift it up if I need to, like the front end or something. But yeah, making it over there. Here's the beef cows. Trucks right there, 5,000 gallons. All three skid steers are down there right now. One's right there, one's right there, one's in the pit. Or not, two are in the pit. One's in the sawdust, one's in one of the minerals. But yeah, see you over there. His toolbox for his birthday. Shut it all the way. Shut it all the way. What the heck? Is it locked? Oh, well, that's shut. Whatever. We got it. Got it done. There's huge wheels on it. But yeah, that's it.
Me and my brother organized my toolbox. Here it is.
Slow down. Show them what it is.
Here's the keys.
Shut. Shut.
Glass door.
This is your metric. That's your standard. Shut. That's it.
Then we have more space.
Bye.